Hey there, kids. This is Reveal Math Lesson 9.4. Let's take a look together. It says this, you can use representation, and you might remember that representation is like a number line or a quick pick or a model of some kind. It could be your fraction strips to subtract fractions. You can use fraction strips to subtract. It says this, you're starting off with 5/6. Well, here they are right here, 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6. But then it says first show 5/6 of a whole. Next, cross out 2 of the 1/6 strips because we are subtracting 2/6. So they subtracted this one and they subtracted this one. How many are you left with after you take 2 away? Here they are right here. That's what you're left with, right? How many are you left with? Well, 5/6 is what we started off with. Take away 2/6, that's what they crossed off. And you're left with 3/6. Here they are, 1/6, 2/6, and 3/6. So the answer is 3/6. Kids, you're learning how to subtract fractions with common denominators. Common denominators just mean that all the denominators are the same. Here it was sixths, sixths, sixths. All right, it says, what's the difference? The difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. Complete the fraction model to represent the equation. Now the equation is the number sentence. So we have 4/5 take away 1/5. All right, fine. They have 4/5 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this one right here, they didn't put anything there because that would have been 5/5. And what they're doing is this whole thing is a whole. Okay, it's one whole. But you only have 4 out of the 5 right here, 4 out of the 5 unit fractions. So we have 4/5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to take one of these away. We're going to cross off one of these right here. What are we left with? 1, 2, 3. We're left with 3, but the answer is not 3. The answer is 3/5. 4/5 take away 1/5 leaves you with 3/5. If we start off with fifths, we have to end up with fifths. The denominator stays the same. Kids, you're learning how to subtract fractions with common denominators. Here's another one right here. 6/10 take away 4/10. Well, they gave us 6/10 right here. This is 7/10, 8/10, 9/10, and 10/10. This whole thing is equal to a whole, but we're only looking at 6 of those pieces. And here they are, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now they want us to subtract 4 of those right there. So let's go over here and let's cross off 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How much are we left with after we cross off 4? Yeah, we're left with 2, and there they are right there. So 6/10 take away 4/10 equals 2/10. Okay? Kids, you're learning how to subtract fractions with common denominators. All right, here it is again. This time for a representation, they use a number line. So they have 8/5 take away 4/5. All right, now in the past, in the last two problems, we only went up to a whole. And this is a whole right here, 5/5. But then they kept going, 6/5, 7/5, 8/5. So we can go over here to 8/5. And if they want us to take away 4/5, we have to go backwards 4/5. So go backwards 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to end up right here, right? So 8/5 take away 4/5 is 4/5. Now you could always check yourself by going the opposite direction, going this way and adding, right? 4/5 plus 4/5 equals 8/5. You know that you're right. Kids, you're learning how to subtract fractions with common denominators. Okay, today in class we're looking at workbook pages 47 and 48. We're doing practice pages 95 through 96. They look like this. You're learning how to subtract fractions with common denominators. Okay, here's what's on the Friday quiz here. I'm just going to do one of these right here. Okay, we got 7/6 take away 1/6. Now, they went too far on the number line right here, and that's fine. I mean, it goes on forever, doesn't it? But we're going to start at 7/6 right here, and we're going to go back 1/6. We're going to take 1 away. Where do you end up? Right, you end up at 6/6, and that's equal to 1 whole. This one right here, you'd start at 8/5, which is over here, And then you'd make 4 jumps going backwards because you're going to go backwards 4/5. I'm going to leave that up to you. You figure that one out. Kids, you're learning how to subtract fractions with common denominators. Okay, go ahead and give it a try. If you're having problems, come and see us. We will help you. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.